In today's video, I will walk you through how to import a chart of accounts to Xero. Before you begin, prepare a CSV file containing your chart of accounts. With your file ready, go to your Xero dashboard and look at the top navigation bar. Click on Accounting to open the Accounting menu. From the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This will take you to the page where all of your existing accounts are displayed. You can review the current list before importing your new accounts. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, locate the Import button. Click on it to begin the import process. A new window will appear, giving you the option to upload your CSV file. You can either drag and drop the prepared file into the upload area or use the Browse option to locate the file on your computer and select it. If your CSV file includes account balances, select the option indicating that balances are included. If your file only contains account details without balances, choose the option that indicates there are no balances in the file. Once you've selected the correct option, review everything one more time to make sure you've uploaded the correct CSV file and answered the balance question accurately. When you're ready, click the Import button to continue. Xero will begin processing your file and import the chart of accounts into your organization. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, your chart of accounts will be added to Xero. After the import finishes, take a moment to review the imported accounts to confirm everything has been brought in correctly. If anything doesn't look right, check your CSV file for formatting issues before attempting another import. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you complete the process with confidence. Please like and subscribe.